guys for the sound of music. So for the first part of this song, starts with do, a deer, a female deer. So for do, a deer, we would have the fingers like this. Put them next to your head, like how we do the ox for the Chinese New Year one, and just go do, a deer, a female deer. And then next up we have right, which is a ray of golden sun. So I'll point to the sun and squint because it's really blinding. So right, a ray of golden sun. And then for me, we say me, a name, I call myself. So just me, a name, I call myself. And then fa, a long, long way to run. So it'd be a long, long way to run. And then so, and then be so, a needle pulling thread. So just a needle, something that in your hand, just like that. And then after so, it would be la, a note to follow so. So it would be la and follow so, right after. And then tea, a triple stem and bread. So just a little cup of tea. And then we would bring the stuff to do, oh. So we would start, I'll do it with you guys next. So there we go. I can't really sing, so don't judge me, but do, a deer, a female deer, ray, a ray of golden sun, me, a name, I call myself, fa, a long, long way to run. So, a needle pulling thread, la, a note to follow, so, tea, a drink of steam and pride, and it brings us back to do, a deer, a female deer, ray, a ray of golden sun, me, a name, I call myself, fa, a long, long way to run. So, I need a plum thread, la, a note to follow, so,